Remember, this is the recorder's right there.
This is the coral. One day I went to Titi's house. I saw a kitty. I went to a store. I bought a green mouse for the kitty. Then I left it on the floor right there. She didn't want. She moved it a little bit. Then she went back hiding. Then I told my mama to play some more Freezeland. Then I want my snack. Then I was exercising at night. Then I take a bath. Then we was doing videos.
And it's been fun doing videos, right?
Yeah. And I told
Don't say in the butt.
Is I take a picture of your butt?